Teka, parang hindi lahat ng condo units kaya magbigay ng ganitong feeling ah. Hi there, Oliver here, and welcome to Amina Penthouse 16. The moment you enter, parang mapapansin mo agad yung high ceiling design that makes the entire space feel more open, bright, and luxurious. And one of the best features, the kitchen space. Malaki kasi ang kitchen nito compared to usual condo layouts, making it perfect if mahilig ka magluto, mag-entertain ng guests, or gusto mo lang ng mas functional na home setup. This unit is also facing east, so every morning you get beautiful natural sunlight na magbibigay ng warm and relaxing ambience sa buong unit. Located at the penthouse level and only one level below the roof deck, you also get that exclusive and premium atmosphere. If you're looking for space, elegance, and exclusivity in one unit, Amina Penthouse 16 is definitely worth seeing. Message me now for viewing, full details, and sample computation. Again, Oliver here, and I'll see you around.